Whether you've met with a few contractors or are still researching, there are many factors you should consider to choose the right one. One of those factors is your budget. Sometimes splurging on that new washing machine or car is worth it because you know it will meet your quality standards and will last. The same goes for the home remodeling industry. In this video, we will explain when you want to choose the more expensive contractor so you can better understand why some contractors are more expensive than others and can decide when you want to splurge for your project. I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. You never want to pay more for something you don't need, but sometimes it's better to bite the bullet and pay more for your project for it to meet your expectations and goals. Our design consultants see dozens of homeowners every week looking to replace their siding, windows, and doors, or add a concrete coating to their garage floor. After presenting all our design options and educating you on our processes and warranty, we give you an exact quote for your project. For some homeowners, we get turned down as soon as they see that price because they're looking for the least expensive option, or maybe we were more expensive than they anticipated, and that's okay. We aren't here to tell you to choose the most expensive contractor because we want to make money. We know everyone has different goals and needs for their project, and sometimes choosing the least expensive contractor is the best option. For more on that, make sure to check out the video linked above on when you should choose the least expensive contractor. But when should you choose the more expensive contractor? A high quality contractor that offers high quality products is obviously going to be more expensive. However, you need to think about how you are investing in products and an installation that you hope will last for years, if not a lifetime, in your home. If the quality of product, contractor, and installation is important to you, then you will have to pay more for a high quality contractor. Otherwise, you may be disappointed with the quality of other less expensive contractors. Let's look at some of the benefits of choosing a more expensive contractor for your home remodeling project. Number one, the quality of your project is higher and will have greater longevity. The first benefit of choosing a more expensive contractor is that the quality of the products and installation is higher. When high quality products are paired with a high quality installation, the longevity and value of your project heavily increases. Number two, the quality of the warranty is higher. High quality products typically come with high quality warranties. This means that when you pay more for your products and installation that will last, the warranty will ensure they last. Less expensive, lower quality products and contractors may offer warranties of less than 5 years. The length of the warranty tells you how long that product is meant to last. Even if a product has a lifetime warranty, you must define what the lifetime is. Some lifetime warranties only mean the lifetime of the product, which could be a few short years. Number three, less maintenance is required for the products. Similar to the quality and durability of the products, high quality products will require little to no maintenance and upkeep in the future. Less maintenance means you don't have to spend time and money constantly caring for your product. The project will cost more, but not having to worry about upkeep in the future is a large benefit of high quality products and contractors. Now that you know when you should choose the more expensive contractor and what some of the benefits are, you should have a better idea if a more expensive contractor is right for you. Overall, if you're looking for a high quality, long-lasting solution for your home remodeling project, it's going to require you to invest more. On the flip side, if you are a short-term homeowner, house flipper, or just looking for the cheapest and quickest solution for your project, choosing a more expensive contractor might not be the right option for you. Depending on the goals for your project, it's important to have realistic expectations for the cost and quality of your project. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want to give you the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.